Birdsong is the poetry of nature. It's more than just sound, it's nature's poetry. Every note reminds us that joy doesn't need an audience and beauty doesn't need permission. Birds don't sing because they have answers, they sing because they have a voice. Their song fills the silence with hope, rhythm, and life. And maybe that's nature's way of reminding us express yourself, even if no one's listening. So, next time you hear a bird sing, let it remind you birdsong is the poetry of nature. If this moved you, follow for more inspiration from life's simple wonders. Bye bye.